Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we're going to show you how to use iAnyGo, iOS Location Changer. Are you looking for a quick guide how to use iOS Location Changer, iAnyGo by Tenorshare? Stay tuned because this video is for you. All right, so we are now in, excuse me, we are now in tenorshare.net. You can just open a browser and type in tenorshare.net or Tenorshare um, in the browser, whatever browser, Chrome, whatever website, Google, most of the time. So if you go to tenorshare.net, you will see a main menu on top. So you have repair, transfer, password, recovery, utilities, and support. So we want utilities, and we want to click on iAnyGo. So when you click on that on a different browser, it's going to bring you to this to this page of Tenorshare. So as you can see, Tenorshare iAnyGo change GPS location for any LBS apps on iPhone or iPad. It says here, one click to change GPS location to anywhere in the world. Easy to simulate GPS movement at customized speed. GPS joystick to control the different direction of movement flexibly. Import GPX file to start a design route. Save favorite places or historical records to design the route quickly. Works with all location-based or LBS apps such as Pokemon Go, Ingress, Fitness app, Instagram, Facebook, and more. And there's a free trial for both Windows and Mac. Most of the time, the free trial is enough, but it depends on the usage or what you're using it for. So for Pokemon Go, I guess you need the paid one. So, but most of the time, the free trials is enough. And as you can see, downloads are moving. It's over 5.5 million. And as you can see here, see it's moving, right? This is a live counter. So play LBS games in an easy and fast way. So Tenorshare iAnyGo can simulate location on iPhone or iPad and change GPS location to anywhere in the world. It allows you to plan a route and auto moving with customized speed. With such powerful function, you can play location-based AR games like Pokemon Go at home easily. So um, as you can see, this is like this display for Pokemon Go, and yeah, it's you can move it with a joystick and whatnot. What can Tenorshare iAnyGo do? iAnyGo makes the idea of traveling the world without leaving the home come true. Flexibly adjust the moving speed to make sure the simulation more realistic. No, not limited geographically. No jailbreak required and no advertisement. So you can set up a fake location on your iPhone or iPad. You can simulate two-point route and multi-point route movement. You can simulate the speed of walking, cycling, or driving. Pause the movement at any time. And historical records save favorite places to design the route quickly. So it also has advanced features like, you can share virtual location on social apps like Instagram, WhatsApp, and Facebook. You can hide real location to stop someone from tracking your phone by changing your virtual location. And you can match more friends on dating apps by changing GPS locations with iAnyGo. So this is one of the best iOS location changers out there. It not only allows you to change location and simulate GPS movement, but it also provides more useful functions for you. Um, And as you can see here, very easy steps to use it. Step one, download and launch Tenorshare iAnyGo. Step two, connect iPhone to the computer. And then step three, select location and confirm to modify. So step one, this is what you're going to see, right? Click on enter and whatnot. After this, step two, choose an Android or iOS device to be connected. For this is an Apple tutorial. And then step three, when you select, you can select a location here, or you can start to modify pretty much, right? Right. So, and here you'll gonna have comments. I know people are like, well, that probably are fake comments. Well, you could just click on read more reviews, and you're gonna see, right? They should play Pokemon occasionally, but keep in mind that they don't change location. So, like my software, yeah. So, like these are reviews and whatnot. See people ask about, is iAnyGo safe? Tertiary Technologies, one of the popular software companies in the world, promises software to be 100% safe and secure. Can I use virtual GPS with Pokemon Go? Yes, iAnyGo works with all location-based apps, including Pokemon Go. Is it possible to change iPhone location without jailbreak? iAnyGo enables you to change your iPhone location without jailbreak, so you don't need to worry about data loss. How to share your location with your family? So iOS 13 or later has a feature that allows you to share your location with family and friends in the Find My app. App. Just go to settings and then your name and then share my location and select the family member you want to share with. So again, settings, the name of your phone, share my location, and then select the family member you want to share with. So will virtual positioning affect my game account? No impact will happen if you open iAnyGo properly. The operation may trigger a warning on iOS device. It's recommended to close the geolocation-based application on the iOS device before starting. So close your GPS on your iPhone or your iPad before you start iAnyGo. After the modification is completed and estimate the reasonable time required for the move, you can then open the third-party application. So very easy to use, right? And if you click to change iPhone location anywhere, so you click on free trial here. As you can see, it's already downloaded. And you can just click on it. It's very straightforward. The what do you call that? The the installation process is very straightforward. And again, these anything about from Tether is safe. But of course, you need to use, like, if you're gonna play Pokemon Go and use this, right? You still might get banned, so you need to do this necessary steps. Like if you're, like what I said, if your GPS is on your iPhone or iPad, turn it off. Because if that's open and you turn this on, you're gonna be in trouble. So be mindful of that. And it's a bit tedious. Like, so if you're being stalked or if you don't want people tracking you, you gotta be realistic about what you're doing. So if you're simulating GPS movement, like say you're from Paris, right? Somewhere in Paris, and then you're like, oh, I don't want people following me. I'm gonna spoof my GPS to like LA. It's not gonna work, right? Maybe somewhere around, like in or around Paris, maybe on the other side of the city, or not near you, so that if people is stalking you or tracking you or following you, at least sure they're still around the same general vicinity, but at least it's not gonna be in the immediate vicinity that you're in. So yeah, that's pretty much how you use iAnyGo. Hope you liked the video. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.